Hello everyone, and today I will show you how is my life as a developer information and data. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to explain the user screens and the procedures that you may make each one useful and assign tasks that facilitates and speed up your projects. To get such challenge, you need a lot of preparation in terms of computer assembly and also possessing materials that you can design your workspace really well. It is good if you dedicate yourself to working with multiple information that needs to be managed. In my opinion, let me explain what each of them is for. At the first monitor, normal software programs for learning or daily use. It is to exercise main focus task. At the second monitor, support and help. It can be videos, documents, evaluate and have tasks available. You can have several windows so you don't lose the assignments you have set. At the laptop one, for example, I leave it there downloading programs and consuming its slot for long and heavy files. In addition, I also make condition and adapt it if I have to do file works where it is necessary to move. At the second laptop, this is quite an old laptop, but I use it as an experiment. For now, I am installing Linux as I want to check and see what uses can be put to them. Of course, having such equipments and conditions makes you consume a lot of energy and also the room gets hot, so better not to tempt and force your devices. However, to dominate such softwares, you always need to read a lot and understanding how to handle and dominate such areas. It is like a construction that you build, but it is missing roads, parks, schools and other service. Of course, it takes a lot of time and efforts to try to do all those things. But when you do, you know you are whole and complete. Several people ask me how much do I earn, and if these things I know you can earn a lot of money. The truth is, I dedicate myself to this, and all these conditions have been forget over a long time, perhaps 10 years.